Buying an SUV is a major decision, as these vehicles are long-term investments for family trips, commuting, or adventures. Reliability is crucial, yet some SUVs hide mechanical issues, software glitches, or costly repairs. Over the past 5 years, certain models, from luxury EVs to compact crossovers, have disappointed owners with problems in batteries, transmissions, electrical systems, and suspensions. This video highlights 7 unreliable SUVs to help you make smarter choices. Cadillac Lyriq 2025. The Cadillac Lyriq, Cadillac's highly anticipated luxury electric SUV, promised futuristic technology, luxury, and sustainability. But early reports have been disappointing. Despite its stylish design, the Lyriq suffers from serious reliability issues, particularly with its battery and electrical components. Owners have reported problems with charging, leaving them stranded, as well as persistent software glitches, frozen infotainment screens, and navigation errors. These are concerning for a premium electric vehicle, where smooth charging and reliable tech are essential. The combination of these issues has contributed to a low J.D. Power reliability score of 53, making it the least reliable SUV on this list. While the Lyriq looks appealing and offers advanced features, its early reliability problems mean it may require costly repairs. If you want a dependable electric SUV, it's best to wait until Cadillac addresses these concerns before considering the Lyriq for long-term ownership. BMW X1 2025. The BMW X1 is a compact luxury SUV designed for sporty handling and city driving, but it has shown disappointing reliability. Owners have reported recurring mechanical problems, particularly with the engine and transmission, including jerky shifting, sluggish acceleration, and occasional power loss. Electrical systems are also problematic, with issues such as freezing infotainment screens and battery failures that prevent the car from starting. These flaws are significant for a vehicle marketed as a reliable luxury SUV. With a J.D. Power reliability score of 63, the X1 falls below expectations for performance, comfort, and dependability. For drivers seeking a smooth, low-maintenance SUV, these issues can quickly turn ownership into a frustrating experience. If long-term reliability is a priority, it may be wise to explore alternatives, as frequent repairs and technical glitches can significantly diminish the joy of driving this stylish, compact SUV. The Mazda CX-90. The Mazda CX-90, a midsize SUV known for style and fuel efficiency, has disappointed owners with reliability issues despite its appealing design. The main concerns involve the transmission, which has been reported to shift roughly and accelerate sluggishly, causing frustration during daily driving. In addition, the suspension system has been problematic, producing clunking noises, poor handling, and discomfort over uneven surfaces. These issues affect both safety and comfort, undermining the vehicle's appeal as a smooth, dependable SUV. With a J.D. Power reliability score of 65, the CX-90 falls short compared to other midsize competitors. While it offers bold styling and impressive fuel efficiency, the combination of transmission and suspension problems can lead to higher maintenance costs and frequent repairs. Buyers who prioritize reliability should consider other midsize SUVs with a stronger track record to ensure a more trouble-free driving experience. Audi Q4 e-tron 2025. Audi's Q4 e-tron aims to make a mark in the luxury electric SUV market, but early owners have faced significant issues affecting reliability. Its battery system has been a primary concern, with some vehicles failing to charge properly or not recognizing charging stations, leaving drivers stranded. Build quality has also drawn complaints, including poorly fitted doors, creaky interiors, and scratches appearing shortly after purchase. For a luxury SUV, these problems are especially disappointing and detract from the expected premium experience. The J.D. Power reliability score of 67 highlights these shortcomings. While the Q4 e-tron offers advanced technology and stylish design, its charging and build issues make it less dependable than competitors. Drivers seeking a reliable electric SUV may want to consider other options that offer the same luxury and innovation without the same risk of costly repairs and frustrating malfunctions. Audi Q7 2025. The Audi Q7 is a midsize luxury SUV with a premium interior and smooth ride, but it has notable reliability issues that buyers should be aware of. Transmission problems are the main concern, with reports of rough shifting and delayed acceleration, diminishing the expected smoothness and performance of a luxury SUV. Electrical issues with the infotainment system are also common, including freezing, lag, and boot failures, which frustrate owners who expect seamless technology. These recurring problems affect both comfort and convenience and are reflected in a J.D. Power reliability score of 68. While the Q7 provides luxury and a high-end driving experience, its transmission and electrical flaws make it less dependable for long-term ownership. Buyers who want a reliable midsize luxury SUV should carefully consider alternatives that offer consistent performance, fewer technical issues, and a lower likelihood of costly repairs. Alfa Romeo Tonale 2025. The Alfa Romeo Tonale combines Italian design and style with compact SUV practicality, but it struggles with reliability. Engine issues, including rough idling and stalling during acceleration, have been reported, creating unsafe and frustrating driving conditions. Transmission problems, such as hesitation during gear changes, further compromise smooth driving and overall performance. These mechanical concerns have contributed to a J.D. Power reliability score of 68, highlighting the Tonale's recurring issues. While it stands out with bold styling and a sporty image, these reliability problems may result in frequent repairs and unexpected expenses. For buyers seeking a compact SUV that balances style and dependable performance, the Tonale may not be the best choice. Considering alternatives with stronger reliability records can provide peace of mind and a more enjoyable, trouble-free driving experience. Lincoln Nautilus 2025. The Lincoln Nautilus offers a comfortable midsize luxury SUV experience with a spacious interior and premium features, but reliability is a concern. Electrical glitches, including freezing infotainment systems, sensor malfunctions, and poor connectivity with mobile devices, are common. The suspension system has also drawn complaints for producing rough rides and strange noises, which reduces overall comfort and control. With a J.D. Power reliability score of 69, the Nautilus is just below average for a luxury SUV, signaling potential long-term issues. While it provides a high level of comfort and a luxurious driving experience, the combination of electrical and suspension problems can lead to frequent repairs and higher maintenance costs. Buyers seeking a dependable, low-maintenance luxury SUV may want to explore other models that offer both premium features and proven reliability for long-term peace of mind. Chevrolet Blazer 2025. The Chevrolet Blazer, a midsize SUV with sporty styling, has struggled with reliability despite its attractive appearance. Owners have reported frequent transmission issues, including rough shifting, delayed acceleration, and occasional power loss, which can make driving frustrating and even unsafe. Electrical systems have also proven problematic, with complaints about malfunctioning infotainment screens, Bluetooth connectivity issues, and unexpected warning lights. Suspension problems, including poor handling and noisy rides over uneven surfaces, further diminish comfort and driving confidence. With a J.D. Power reliability score of 64, the Blazer falls below the expected reliability for its class. While it offers eye-catching design and a fun driving experience, the combination of mechanical and electrical issues can result in costly repairs and frequent maintenance. Buyers seeking a dependable, midsize SUV may want to explore other options with stronger long-term reliability. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2025. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is well known for its off-road capabilities and rugged styling, but its 2025 model has faced significant reliability issues. Owners have reported transmission malfunctions, including jerky shifting and delayed responses, which can negatively impact both on-road comfort and off-road performance. Electrical problems are also common, with issues in infotainment systems, navigation, and warning sensors creating frustration for tech-savvy drivers. Additionally, suspension concerns, such as clunking noises and rough handling over uneven terrain, reduce overall ride quality and safety. These recurring problems contribute to a J.D. Power reliability score of 65, highlighting the Grand Cherokee's challenges in long-term dependability. While it offers strong performance and off-road capability, these reliability issues make it less suitable for drivers seeking a worry-free SUV. Considering alternatives with better reliability records can save money and reduce repair headaches over time. These 7 SUVs, the Cadillac Lyriq, BMW X1, Mazda CX-90, Audi Q4 e-tron, Audi Q7, Alfa Romeo Tonale, and Lincoln Nautilus have faced serious reliability issues in the past 5 years. Mechanical, electrical, and performance problems can lead to costly repairs and frustration. Knowing these models helps you make smarter choices, avoid unexpected expenses, and enjoy a more dependable SUV. Share your experiences to guide others.